Hello, in this video I will show you how to add hex on MetaMask. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply open your browser, then go to your MetaMask. After that, just simply click on swap, but before that make sure that you have some amount of Ethereum in your wallet, and then just simply click on swap. Now as you can see, I have currently zero balance, but you should have some amount of balance. Now what you have to do is just simply select the crypto that you have balance in, like for example USDT. It will also work if you have that. Then all you have to do is just simply search for hex, and then right over you will find it. Just simply choose that option and your desired amount right over here, and it will tell you how much you will be getting right over here. So it will take some seconds, so just simply be patient and wait for it to complete. So after a few seconds, it will tell you how much you will be getting. But as you can see, I have insufficient balance. But if you have the sufficient balance, you will be able to see how much you have to pay, what is the fees, and then all you have to do is just simply click on swap right over here. And then you will be good to go. And then within a few seconds, you should be able to see hex in your MetaMask. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.